hindi ko naman itatapwa ko naman na ay hindi ko siya mag-interviews dahil we've been doing this for 37 years. Pero nakaka-excite. As you put it analogy kayo, you never get used to that. You know, you still feel intrigued, excited, happy. Pero kanina si Tita Boots, sila, wala lang si Pai kasi kasabayan natin yan. But kanina sa elevator, nakasabay ko sa Ariel Valeta, kay so Anthony Lasso. It feels good to be in the company of people who paved the way.
Right.
Diba? Yung mga papasalamatan natin, we're able to do what we do today, tonight, because there were people who came ahead and made it easier for us.
And it's always so nice to be recognized. Lahat naman talaga yung mga long hours,
May segue pa.
minsan hindi nakasama.
Isang trivia lang, because on television, Martin and Pops used to do Penthouse
Right.
live. After that, it was a coveted time slot to GMA7. 10 o'clock in the evening, tuwing Sabado. Pagkatapos ko noon, nagkaroon ng RSVP yung Ariel Valeta. After that, Gretchen and I did show and tell. So we share that time slot.
Okay, that's
Totoo. Alam nyo, maraming salamat. Isang karangalan na makasama, makapanayam of course, Miss Pops Fernandez na napapanood ko ang bawat mga episodes ng kanyang mga vlogs, di ba, sa mga interviews. Congratulations as a vlogger for 2025, syempre, di ba? Dito, boy, syempre naman, kung sinabi mo kanina, sila Tita Boots, ayan, sila Sir Ariel Oreta, yung nagbigay daan kung bakit natin ginagawa ang trabaho ito. Kayo po ikaw mismo, alam mo yan, Tito Boy, ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit nag-release ako, tayo lahat ngayon, at nag-i-interview sa inyong artista. Kaya naman, let's celebrate at patuloy po tayong mag-enjoy tonight dito sa PFPC. So, see you inside. Maraming salamat.
I'm proud of you.
I love you po, Tito Boy. Ayan. Thank you po, Miss Pops. Nice meeting you po talaga. Thank you, Tito Boy.
Hawakan na dito.
May picture naman muna na. Picture muna.
Picture muna po.